If your knuckles sound like popcorn, you're a noise machine. Turns out cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. Surprised? Here's the scoop. That satisfying pop is just gas bubbles bursting in your joints. Science says, no harm, no foul. But hey, don't go overboard. Excessive cracking can lead to reduced grip strength. So keep it cool and crack responsibly. Remember, your body's built to last. Treat it right, and it'll treat you right back. Hit that follow button for more myth-busting truths. See you next time.